So here we are down at my ranch, and waterfalls are in full force because we got some rain the other day, and these are giant ferns. And as you can see, it's just beautiful down here. Goes all the way down. We got some leaves kind of changing, and really beautiful. And you come over here, and this is actually a dam that was built back probably about, I don't know, maybe 40 or 50 years ago, and where the waterfall goes down over, and just real beautiful. And then over here is my koi pond. You can actually see all of the plants over here. I'll just walk over here, take a look at the koi pond. And over here is koi pond number 2. Actually, I have 3 koi ponds now. It's koi pond number 3 is at the other side, so you can just see. Turned out really pretty. We got kind of like a woodland setting here. Got some chairs over there. And when I come down here and meditate, it's a great place to meditate. I actually put a elf on a swing set down here, which is pretty cool. Because I always imagined this would be a great place for elves to hang out. So he's up here swimming with the ducks. And you can see him on the swing right there. And those are my ducks and pheasant down there. And kind of made this into like a park. And I come down here to meditate, pray. And I carved this tree to make it look kind of like a person. And Bullet found a lizard in there, so she likes to check it out. And I just got down here, was planting some flowers, and this is only on the north side of my property. And actually some people have actually wanted to come here and have their wedding, but I don't know if I'm open to making it commercial use or not. I don't think so. I'm just going to leave it private. Just maintain the natural beauty. So I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video.